Eqe okwazibopha kuzosikhulula. Sanibonani. Undlovu wamaqiniso lo. So one of the reasons some South Africans are using to attack foreign nationals bathi bona emazweni wenu uma sivakashela khona basifuna amaphepha and asihambi sicanase nje singenawo amaphepha. Ngifuna ukuvuma lokho ngingakunanazi. Yebo, emazweni wethu uma nifika bayawafuna amaphepha. Kodwa into engifisa ukuthi siqwashisane ngayo futhi ni understand ukuthi emazweni wethu you are not asked amaphepha by random citizens. There are rightful authorities that ask people for documentation. And labo bantu uma bekubuza amaphepha gcina lapho. Awusoze uthole abahlali behlangana bethi thina kumele siyebuza ama South Africans amaphepha endaweni thizeni. Into ozoyenza uhulumeni uzosola impilo yakho yonke. Because the government makes sure that it protects ama foreigners. Angaze ngezwe mina eZambia kuthiwe abahlali bavuke nje ubhetshazana nje bayohlasela ama foreigners. Angaze ngezwe kuthiwa eMozambique amashangane khona ngale avuke nje ubudlwangu bayohlasela ama foreigners. Lento le yenziwa amaphoyisa. And ngisase lapho futhi ngifuna ukubeka ngikucacise lokho ukuthi amaphoyisa wasemazweni wethu just like South African police abawuqinisi umthetho on indaba yamaphepha kuma foreigners simply because babamba umthetho wesizwe. Cha, labantu laba sebathola indlela yokwenza imali. Uma ungena amaphepha uyagwaza. Uma ungenawo amaphepha kumele ubhadale itshontsho. This is also happening in South Africa. If you are a foreigner bakuvale ekhoneni bathi sicela ukubona iphepha ID passport ungabi nayo uyosinda ngokuthi ugwaze kuphela. Uma ungasagwazanga uyolala ubaliwe. So ningenzi ngathi it's only in foreign countries whereby they make umthetho wokuthi bafune amaphepha uqine. Even in South Africa umthetho wokufuna amaphepha kubantu bokufika uqine kakhulu. But nina ngeke nize nikubone because some of you are South Africans and the conversation won't be long. But ask ordinary foreigners who are living in South Africa. They'll tell you ukuthi umthetho bayawuqinisa emaphepheni bayafuna amaphepha. So nina just say you are trying to find a reason to attach to your vigilantism. But let me tell you the truth. Uyabona lama foreign enkhala ngawo akhona naseZimbabwe. There are Nigerians in Zimbabwe. There are Zambians in Zimbabwe. There are Congolese in Zimbabwe. Kunzima kunjalo. Kunabantu who have managed to actually make means to make survival in that country. Kunzima kunjalo. There are foreigners in Mozambique. There are foreigners in Lesotho. There are yabona akekho umuntu ngaphansi komthunzi welanga onamandla okuvimba immigration. Immigration iyimvelo. And lento ukuthi abantu bayovuka bebehave isiphakela mthakathi noma isijasinta ngobese. It will never work. It will never work. That is why Julius Malema, when he told you people ukuthi let's document these people. Nina nathi uMalema usijwayeza ngama foreigner. uMalema this, uMalema that. But you didn't understand what that man meant. Because you lack a political maturity. Even namanje ngizama ukuyisho lento le. Nizothi ukhuluma kanje because uyi-foreigner. Yabo? And yet if you have got the understanding how the dynamics of politics work, you understand ukuthi abelungu abafika ngabo 1940 something who are now being regarded as South Africans, they were foreigners, and they say to themselves, let's give ourselves documents, let's neutralize into this system. Namhlanje nithi ama South Africans, but truth be told, these people are foreigners, the actual foreigners. But sizothini ngoba kumnyama ebusweni benkawu azilime ziyetsheni.